Right now pupunta kami sa may D-Mall kasi merong ano doon, tourism week. May mga kaganapan. So kapag actually merong ano doon, mga kainan, mga ganyan, mga bazaar. So from September 10 to 15 hanggang Sunday. So nandito ang We the Dreams. Hello, Chelsea.
Say hi. Hello. Hi, everybody.
So parang doon na rin kami magdi-dinner. Marami kaming titikman doon.
Are you sure about that?
May budget tayo. So, see you. Okay, so right tayo, nandito na kami. Umpisahan na natin. Meron dito mga pa-ice cream, oh. Ayun, oh. May lechon pa dito, oh. Palabok. May mga upuan din naman dito. Mga lamesa. Doon muna tayo, tingin muna tayo. Mukhang matinding food tripan to, ah. Fried ice cream. Oh, ihaw dito, oh. Anong gusto mong kainin?
Kanapan.
Kahanap ko na tayo. Dinakdakan with rice, oh. Mga ihaw din dito. Puro ihaw dito sa banda dito. Mods. Oh, may kape pa dito. Gusto ko ng kape. Gusto ko ng kape. Maya. Okay, so more ihaw-ihaw. Parang madaming ihaw-ihaw, no?
Mas madaming ihaw.
Ay, eto. Game na. Ito, gusto ko to. Magkano isang ano, kuya? 50 cents. Okay, so meron na kaming nakita. Meron pa dito, may halo-halo pa dito. Mga solid yung halo-halo dito, ah. Uy, ayos to, ah. May mga donuts. Hello. Yun. Okay, wala na. Balik tayo sa food tripan natin. Robin kayo dyan. ₱50. Cha-ching! For this part of the video going forward, I'll be voicing over the commentary kasi nag-start na ang live entertainment nila and it's quite loud. It's already almost 6:30 PM and kung mapapansin ninyo, medyo dumadami na din ng mga tao. We settled here pala sa may tapat ng McDonald's, which is a bad idea. Bakit? You'll find out soon. Here is another shot of the area. There goes Michelle. Bibili muna siya na kung anumang matripan na kainin. And on the other side of the stalls is merong additional seating areas for customers. Medyo mas okay dito kasi mas malaki siya and meron pang tented area. And yung mga haganapan pala here is televised and nandito din yung stage for the live performers. So right now, they're getting ready for their next act. We had chicken inasal and pork barbecue. Bumili din si Michelle ng siomai. Meron din kutsinta. And this 30 plus pesos na chocolate drink. So right here, I'm about to feed Chelsea and as you can see, I'm contemplating my life choices na gumamit ng plastic spoon. Instead na sana, kumuha na lang ako ng plastic gloves. Haha. So for the pork barbecue, me and Michelle shared the same sentiment. Masarap, malambot, and malinamnam siya. Sarap din itong chocolate drink na to. And then nabanggit ko yung bad idea kanina, which is we were politely asked to move to another seat habang kumakain kami kasi meron na mag-occupy na customer dun sa tapat ng stall kung nasan kami. So we moved dito sa may stall ng JT's kung saan kami umorder and luckily they provided us some seats. Buong akala kasi namin is free seating siya kahit saan basta kakain ka doon sa pa-event. Lesson learned is maghanap muna ng trip ninyong kakainin and make sure lang din na meron ding available na seats. So we settled in and nakahanap pa ng new friend tong si Chelsea. At this time din, nagpapahinga yung live entertainment and they were just playing some music. Eto nga, at 8 PM, super dami na talagang tao and I think mas dadami pa later. By the way, the food stalls opens from 4 PM to 12 midnight. This food bazaar pala here in front of the mall is now becoming a frequent event here in Boracay. Kasi last time is nung Lay Boracay Week is meron din sila dito. So my guess is another one is coming maybe on Oktoberfest or Halloween. And as I recall, they have the same setup so you guys could use this video as reference if you are coming here in Boracay in a later date.
Excitement, stories, heartwarming service, and more. Mainland Malay will give you a remarkable travel adventure.
Visit our home with destination.
Okay, uwi na kami. Super daming tao. At nakapag-dinner naman na kami. So, solid na rin. So, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe sa channel namin for future contents like this one. Kung nagustuhan nyo to. Okay. See you again next time. Bye-bye.